Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating a cloud project and enabling the Drive API. This gives you the service surface to call. Once done, configure the OAuth consent screen so users can grant access. Generate an OAuth 2.0 client ID for Android and copy the package name and SHA-1 fingerprint exactly into the console. Make sure to drop the resulting Google services JSON into app/ and add the Google API client and Play Services auth dependencies to build. Gradle. This prepares authentication for runtime. Next, implement sign-in and scopes. You must request the correct Drive scopes depending on file access needs. Use Google Sign in options. Builder and add request scopes for Drive. Scope file or Drive app data, then launch the sign-in intent. When the result returns, handle it to get a Google Sign-in account and verify granted scopes. Once you have the account, create a Google account credential or an OAuth token and construct the Drive service with a transport and JSON factory so you can call files. Create files, list or files, get reliably. To finish, implement file operations and permission changes with the Drive service you built. For uploads, assemble file metadata, attach file content for media and call files. Create with field set for ID and WebView link. For downloads, call files. Get with alt equals media. Apply sharing with permissions. Create and choose role and type. Finally, test end-to-end. If something breaks, make sure scopes match. OAuth consent is published or test users added. And your app's SHA-1 and package name exactly match the Cloud Console to resolve auth errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.